Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. Charge the Astro A50 for 30 to 60 minutes and note LED behavior, because battery issues mimic audio faults. Once charged, unplug the base station from both USB and AC power and wait 30 seconds to clear transient errors. Then perform the headset reset by holding power and mute simultaneously for 10 seconds. This forces a fresh startup. Doing these steps first eliminates common causes and gives you a clean baseline to move into firmware and connection troubleshooting. Next, update firmware because outdated code often breaks communication. Download Astro Command Center on a PC or Mac and connect the base to USB. Then install the latest firmware for both base and headset, following on-screen prompts. Do not interrupt power. Once updated, test different USB ports and cables to rule out host issues. If you use optical/toslink or AUX, swap inputs to confirm the base receives audio. While doing this, note any error messages. They guide the next targeted fix. To finish, repair the headset properly. Place it on the base and press the base pairing button until the LED blinks, then power the headset on to complete pairing. If pairing fails, perform a factory reset on the base, and, if necessary, repeat firmware steps to ensure both units match. Finally, test the headset with another console or PC to isolate whether the problem is the A50 or the source. If nothing helps, one key troubleshooting tip: swap cables and hosts to identify a faulty component quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.